All right, we're sitting in a brand new Land Cruiser with the, I think it's called the Catback exhaust. This thing is nice. Let's go ahead and start it up, see if we can hear it. Sounds pretty good. There we go, went quiet. This isn't the exact one you inquired on. The one you had was meteor shower. That one's still getting detailed, so I just started this one up so we could hear it. Still got the same Catback exhaust. As you can see, it wasn't too loud when it started up. Sounds pretty good. There we go.